So, step 1, open natin yung ating phone browser, kagaya ng Google Chrome or Safari. Tapos, punta tayo sa paypal.com. And then, makikita nyo itong website na to. Click nyo lang yung sign up dito sa taas. And then, after nyan, pipiliin natin yung personal. Unless plano nyong gamitin ito for business, like mga online selling, ganyan. So, personal tayo, and then click on Get Started. Enter natin yung ating email, and then click on next. Sa next page, i-enter naman natin yung ating phone number, click next ulit, and then magsasend si PayPal sa atin ng code. So, pwede nyong i-allow yung autofill or i-enter yung code, and then mapupunta kayo sa create password page. Ayan. So, yung password nyo, it has to be 8 to 20 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. Any two of that. And then, pag okay na, click next. Sunod naman, i-fill up natin yung ating personal information. Just make sure, guys, na yung first name and last name na gagamitin ninyo is kagaya or exactly the same ng nasa ID na gagamitin nyo. And same din siya dapat ng nasa GCash account niyo. So, if you're planning to withdraw money there without using bank, kailangan same yung name para hindi tayo magkaroon ng problem. So, pag okay na siya, click next. And then, dito naman, i-enter natin yung mga details ng ating gagamiting ID. So, for this example, ang ginamit ko is yung Philippine National ID. Pwede nyo din gamitin yung passport nyo, your driver's license, or yung UMID. So, enter nyo lang kung anong ID yung, or piliin nyo lang dito sa drop-down kung ano yung ID na gagamitin nyo. And then, lagay nyo dyan yung ID number and letters, kung merong letters. Hindi nyo na kailangang i-include yung spaces or dashes. So, numbers and letters lang. Tapos, dito naman, lagay nyo yung date of birth ninyo. And then, click on next. Next naman is enter natin yung ating address. Gamitin natin yung same address na nasa ID natin para walang issues kasi mas mabilis if consistent yung ating mga details na ginagamit. And then, dito sa baba, lagyan natin ng check mark, yung accepting the terms of agreement. Promotional choice, guys, optional lang yan. Pag okay na, click on agree and create account. And that's it, guys. Congratulations! Meron na kayong active na PayPal account that can receive dollars. And that's it, guys. You're now part of the global economy. Okay, so guys, yung app installation optional lang to, pero I highly suggest na gawin nyo to para mas madali nyo matrack yung papasok nyong mga pera. So dito, in-install ko yung app. Same din lang ng process, kailangan mo mag-login using yung phone number na ginamit mo. And then, once you're logged in, i-confirm nyo na rin, guys, yung email address ninyo. So, makikita nyo rin dito na may prompt na to finish the account, you need a card or a bank. Pero optional lang yan. I-ignore nyo na lang yan, guys. Active pa rin and pwede nyo pa rin gamitin yung PayPal even without doing those steps. If somebody sends me money in my PayPal, how do I get it out of there? So, kailangan nating i-link siya from GCash. So, pwede rin, guys, yung ibang e-wallets, for example, Maya Bank. Just make sure that your GCash and PayPal have the same exact name. Kasi kapag may konting pagkakaiba yan, halimbawa ay space or letter, it's not gonna work. Hindi siya magli-link together. Nag-send ako ng $10 dito sa account na to para makita nyo or to show you na pwedeng maka-receive ng money etong account kahit hindi natapos yung mga steps na yan. And since peso account ito, yung balance will be showing in Philippine peso, meaning kinonvert na yan ni PayPal using their exchange rate. Kung gusto nyo ng dollars, yung default balance ninyo, kailangan nyo mag-email sa PayPal support and mag-request sa kanila to change it to dollars. Pero kung GCash ang gagamitin mong payout method, I suggest you skip that part. You need to have your balance stay in pesos para matransfer sa GCash. And so, quick lang din, guys, ipakita ko na rin sa inyo kung paano ito i-transfer sa GCash. Madali lang to, gagawin natin siya from the GCash app. Log in lang kayo sa GCash ninyo and then i-click nyo itong button that says cash in. Dito sa cash in page, piliin nyo yung global banks and partners and then select PayPal. And then dito sa pop-up screen, click nyo yung link account. After yan, mariredirect kayo sa PayPal login page. Dito, i-enter natin yung email and password na ginamit or ginawa natin kanina. And then, makikita nyo yung screen. Sabi dyan, connect your PayPal to GCash. Ayan. So, scroll up lang kayo and then click on agree and connect. So, sasabihin dyan, PayPal account linking is complete. Click lang ng okay. And then may pop-up lang ulit on instructions on how to cash in sa PayPal. Click nyo lang yung got it. And then, ayan, dito na natin ilalagay yung amount na gusto nating i-transfer sa GCash from PayPal. Ang minimum amount is 500 pesos. So, make sure lang na meron kayong enough balance. Merong 1% convenience fee si GCash, guys. So, ang minimum talaga is 505 pesos. Dapat may 505 pesos na laman yung PayPal nyo bago kayo makapag-transfer. So, no need to do the math naman. Sasabihin din dyan kung magkano lang yung pwede mong i-transfer to cover the fee. So, once done, click nyo lang guys yung proceed. And then, makikita nyo na tong screen. Sasabihin dyan, cash-in is being processed. Dapat guys, instant yung transfer. Pero may mga rare cases na it could take longer. So, kapag ni-refresh yung GCash balance ninyo, dapat added na rin dyan yung amount na from PayPal. So, makikita mo rin siya guys dito sa transaction sa recent history. So, that's how easy it is to cash in using GCash from PayPal. So, kagaya ng sabi natin, we don't need a bank account for this. Now guys, to set your expectation, maraming fees involved when you're transferring from PayPal. So, si GCash, nag-charge siya ng 1% fee. Apart pa dun sa mga transfer fees and exchange rate ni PayPal, which is usually mas mababa. So, hindi nito masusunod guys yung usual na exchange rate sa Google. Set nyo na expectation nyo na what the amount that you're gonna get is gonna be lower. If you want a higher conversion rate, there is a hack that you can do. We made a video about that, so lalagay ko na lang siya sa pinned comment and sa description. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. My name is Mimi and nandito ako to help you earn money online. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys on the next one.